Hello everyone and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Bhyana Bhavsar with the latest weather update on UK heavy rain and strong winds set to cause disruption in the UK. The United Kingdom is bracing for another spell of the unsettled weather as the Met Office issues warnings for heavy rain and strong winds. Flooding, travel disruption and difficult conditions are expected in several regions over the coming days. Let's take a close look at what's ahead. A band of persistent rain is set to sweep across parts of UK, bringing periods of heavy downpours. Some areas could see significant rainfall totals in a short space of time, increasing the risk of localized flooding, especially in low-lying and already saturated regions. This system is being driven by a low-pressure area moving in from the Atlantic, a common setup for wet and windy weather across the UK. As these systems move through, conditions are expected to remain unsettled, with rain arriving in waves rather than clearing quickly. Alongside the rain, strong winds will also develop, with the gusts likely to affect coastal and exposed areas the most. These winds could lead to hazardous driving conditions, particularly for high-sided vehicles, and many even cause minor structural damage in some locations. The Met Office has issued weather warnings highlighting the potential for disruption. Even lower-level warnings can still have a real impact, including delays on road, rail and air travel. Drivers are being used to take care as surface water and reduced visibility could make journeys more dangerous. There is also a risk of temporary flooding in certain areas, which may affect homes and businesses. This weather pattern is a part of a broader trend of unsettled conditions across the UK. Repeated low-pressure systems from the Atlantic are bringing moist air, leading to frequent spells of rain and winds. As we move through this period, the ground remains saturated, meaning any additional rainfall quickly increases the risk of flooding. If you are in the affected areas, it's important to stay updated with the latest forecasts and warnings. Plan your journey in advance, allow extra time for travel and avoid driving through floodwater. Keep an eye on local alerts and be prepared for sudden change in weather conditions. That's all for now, but stay tuned for further updates as this weather system develops. Thank you.